Okay, in today's lesson, we saw once again that a lot of times the area is just length times width. And so, in order, if you're given the area and you're given one of the other measurements to figure out the missing number, you would do the area divided by whatever that is. So, area divided by length equals width, or area divided by width equals length. And so we did that a lot of different times. Remember that if you're given a triangle area, you need to multiply by 2 to get the rectangle area. And so here we go. Problem 1. Rectangle lawn has 7 and 1/3 square yards and a width of 2. Okay, so you're looking at a rectangle like this that has an area of 7 1/3, and the width, which would be normally the short part, is 2 and 1/5. So you're just going to do 7 and 1/3 divided by 2 and 1/5. That's 22 thirds divided by 11 fifths. You can't divide straight across, so take a look at the right hand side, flip it over, and then I multiply. That puts 22 and 11 on opposite sides. That simplifies to be 2 over 1. I get 10 thirds. Oops, 10 thirds. Which is the same. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. 3 and 1/3. Television screen is 16 and a half inches long. So you're looking at a TV screen that's 462 inches. The length, the longest side, is 6.5, and the width is what you don't know. So lots of ways to do this. You could do 462 divided by 16.5 equals W, or 462 divided by W equals 16.5. Or the other way would have been 16.5 times W equals 462. So there's 3 of these over here. That one, that one, and that one should be correct. I think they scramble them in the workbook, but that's the way it goes. In here, I've got just simply 11 divided by 3 and 2/3. 11 divided by 3 and 2/3 is 11 over 1, divided by 9, 11 thirds. I can't divide straight across. I mean, I can, but it'd be easier if you did take a look at the right hand side, flip it over, and then you multiply. Now I've got 11 on top, 11 on the bottom, and I end up with 3 as my answer. Next. Okay, this is kind of straightforward. I would just do 22 divided by 10. I'm just going to write that as my answer. 22 divided by 10. If you wanted to simplify that, it's 11 fifths or 2 and 1/5, but that should be good enough for the computer. Missing length, here we go, 1/6 divided by 1/4. Can't divide straight across, so take a look at the right hand side, flip it over, and then you multiply. I get 4/6, which would be fine, but that'll simplify to be 2/3. I could have simplified here and here. Divide by 2, I get 2. Divide by 2, I get 3. 2/3. Oh, there we go. You guys will love that one. Here we go. 4/5 divided by, or 4 and 4/5 divided by 1 and 4/5. The first thing you want to do is turn them into fractions. So I've got 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24 fifths, divided by 9 fifths, which, I mean, it'd be 24 ninths right away. 24 ninths if you do it that way. 3 divides into 24 8 times. 3 divides into 9 3 times. You could have put 24/9, that would have worked. 8/3 would have worked, or 2 2/3 would work. Of those, I'm going to choose 8/3 because it's the easiest for me to type into the calculator. Again, you'll love that as sixth graders. Uh-oh, did I hit submit on this last one's? I did not. Let's try this. Let's actually get the credit for the credit earned. Here we go. Okay, I think that's all of them. Come on. Here we go. Oh, nope. Okay. Oh, nope. I got to go all the way back to number 2. What did I do wrong? I probably didn't hit the submit button. Oh, problem 2, I definitely have right. Okay. Oh, that's problem 1. I agree with my answer. Problem 2, what did I mess up on? Oh, it's not that one. It's 16.5 times W. That one. There we go. In the workbook, I had a different answer. There we go. Okay, back on pace. Sorry about that. Here we go. No, am I already there? Okay. This one gets kind of tricky. Triangles. Anytime you're given a triangle area, always multiply it by 2. Always multiply it by 2 right away. So 1/4 is the area of, or is that the distance? No, yeah, 1/4 is the area, square inches. If 1/4 is the area of a triangle, then the area of the rectangle would have been 2/4. And so I just need to do 2/4 divided by 3/4. This one is going to be 2/3. Back over here, if this is 2/3 and you have an area of 2/3 square inches, this one must be 1. I didn't have to multiply by 2 this time because it's not a triangle. If this is 1, then this would be, I'll just do a parallelogram, would be 4/5. And so the base C has to be 4/5. So B was 1. C is 4 divided by 5. And no submit button, so I hit next. 42-inch long bookshelf. Books are 1.5 inches. I'm going to do 42 divided by 1.5. That's not very pretty because it's like 42 over 1 divided by 3 over 2. I can't do it straight across. 42 over 1. Take a look at the right hand side. Flip it over and multiply. 42 divided by 3 is 13. I get 13 times 2 is 26. Submit and explain. See work. Okay, number 10, same bookshelf, 42, but you got 5 of these. So the first thing you want to do is 5 times 42, that's 210. And then how many feet? Oh, that's inches. How many feet is that? You would do 210 divided by 12. I look at my multiplication chart, and it says that that is 12 times 17. 12 times 17 gets me to 204, and 6/12. That's 17 and a half. I'm going to cheat and do that as a decimal. 17.5. Submit and explain. Once again, see work. And then let's see how I did. Yay. Oh, what? 8 is wrong. What did I do wrong? 26. 13 times 2. Oh, I'm sorry. That's 14. Man, I'm off today. 14 times 2. There we go. How about that? There we go. Okay, I'm going to end this video with two errors. Do the best you can. If you have any questions, I'll ask in class.